Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PowerSchool how to sign in students. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To sign in as a student, you can use the app or a web browser. So if you're using a web browser, simply head over your browser, then on the search bar type in PowerSchool.com, then simply head over and direct yourself to the login portal and log in with your PowerSchool student credentials. Then enter your username, password, and lastly click on sign in. If you don't know your credentials, contact your school office or IT support. You can also use your mobile login by simply downloading the PowerSchool app. Then once you have downloaded it, simply open up the app and then enter your PowerSchool district code, then simply enter your username and password and then tap on sign in to log into your student portal. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.